Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture number 6, I am going to discuss some numerical on DC generator. This is part 1. I am going to discuss 3 numericals on it and 3 more numerical I will discuss in part 2. Okay, so these numerical will be based on that EMF equation and types of generator, self, separately, then series, shunt, compound, like that. Okay, so this is the example number 1, a 4-pole lap bound. If it is lap bound, number of parallel path A equal to number of pole P equal to 4, right? Because we have a 4-pole mesh generator, so lap bound में क्या होता है, number of parallel path A equal to number of poles P equal to 4. Okay, armature wound has 120 slots and 4 conductor per slots. So number of conductor Z equal to क्या होगा, 120 slots, and we have 4 conductors per slot, so multiply by 4 equal to 480 conductors are there. The flux per pole flux per pole is equal to given 50 milliweber equal to 50 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Weber. Clear? And it generates 480 volt. EA is given 240 volt. Sorry, 240 volt is given. Find the speed N. We know EA equal to what? EA equal to P phi Z N upon 60 A. Clear? So we will get speed N equal to what? EA into 60 into A upon P phi Z. That is N you will get, right? Now you have to put the value. EA equal to given 240 into 60. A is given equal to P equal to 4 upon P is given 4, phi is given 50 milliweber, 50 into 10 raised to power minus 3, and Z is given 480. Now you can use it, right? Just use the calculator, you will get the answer N. So 24 into 6 upon 5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into 48. Just I am going to use the calculator. On using the calculator I am getting 600 RPM. That is the first answer I got it. It is 600 RPM, right? So just it is very simple formula, EA equal to P phi Z N upon 60A. If you use it, you will get the answer, right? I am rubbing it. Question number, example number 2. The resistance of the field circuit of a DC shunt generator is. The resistance of the field circuit of DC shunt generator. I am going to make a DC shunt generator first. RA. This is EA. This is the brushes, we can say. This is the DC shunt generator. Shunt field winding is parallel, and this is the plus minus VT. Clear? Here I can connect the load. So the resistance of the field circuit of DC shunt generator is 200 ohm. This is given 200 ohm, right? When the output of the generator is 100 kilowatt, this load is given 100 kilowatt, right? The terminal voltage is 500 volt. VT is given 500 volt. So if these two are given, generator है तो load current IL मिल जाएगा. IL equal to what? This is IL This is IA, always outgoing side, and this is IF. ये टर्मिनल वोल्टेज VT कितना है 500, सो ऑब्वियसली यहाँ का वोल्टेज क्या होगा 500, यहाँ का इट इज इन पैरेलल 500 यहाँ है तो 500 will be between these 2 points, 500 will be this point. So IF, you can find IF equal to what? VT upon 200, VT upon RF, 500 upon 200, 2.5 ampere. You can get this field current. Voltage across here is 500 upon 200, V upon R equal to I. Similarly, you can get IL. What is IL? You know IL equal to P upon V, P upon VT. P कितना है 100 into 1000, 100 kilowatt upon 500. So you will get 2 into 100, 200 ampere IL. Now this IA क्या होगा? IA equal to IL plus IF. So IA you will get IA equal to IL plus IF. कितना आएगा 200 plus 2.5, 202.5. इन दोनों का सम you will get IA. Clear? And if the generated EMF 525 volt, ये दिया है 525, कैलकुलेट आर्मेचर रेजिस्टेंस. वी नो ये इक्वल टू क्या होता है, ये ऑलवेज मोर देन VT दिख रहा है 525 है. ये इक्वल टू VT प्लस IA RA ड्रॉप. ये कितना है 525, ये है 500. IA कितना है 202.5 into RA. We have to calculate. So what is the value of RA? R equal to क्या होगा 525. ये 500 यहाँ आएगा तो -500, और ये इधर आएगा तो डिवाइडेड बाई दिस 202.5. So by using this formula you will get RA. So what is the value of RA? Just use the calculator, you will get RA. I am getting 0.1234 ohm. I am getting it 0.1234 ohm. That is the first answer I am getting. Clear? So it is very simple. P and V दिया है तो you will get IL, VT and RF दिया है तो you will get IF. इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे you will get IA. IA मालूम है तो you can use this formula, that is the voltage equation. Use the voltage equation, you will get IA. Right? Now second part, the value of generated EMF when output is 60 kilowatt. अभी सेम शंट जनरेटर है, RA कितना है 0.1234, सेम जनरेटर है. ये मे बी चेंज. Clear? This will be same 200 ohm. Field resistance will not be changed. Right? Only वो क्या बोल रहा है, लोड कनेक्टेड जो था वो चेंज कर रहे हैं. कितना? In place of 100 kilowatt, now it is 60 kilowatt. For part 1, for part 2 it is 60 kilowatt, and if the terminal voltage is 520 volt, ये दिया है 520 volt. अगर आपका लोड कम होगा तो ऑब्वियसली वोल्टेज 500 से 520 बढ़ने वाला है. It will be increased. Right? Calculate the generated EMF. Now this and this is given, you can calculate IL. What is IL? IL will be different because IL load change हो रहा तो IL will be change. IL is what? P upon V. P कितना है 60 किलोवाट में 60,000 upon VT कितना है 520. Okay. So by using the calculator, calculate the IL. IL I am getting 115.38. 115.38 volt. Sorry, ampere. 115.38 ampere. IF, this 520 यहाँ voltage है here. So what is the voltage here? Same 520. So what is the voltage here? That is a 520 volt. So you can get IF equal to what? 520 V upon RF कितना है? 200. V upon R. V upon R equal to I. So by using the calculator, I am getting 2.6. Okay, so I am getting 2.6 ampere. You know IL and you know IF, so you will get IF, IA. IA equal to क्या होता है? IA is this current. IA equal to IL plus IF. इन दोनों का सम IL plus IF. IL कितना है? सेकंड केस में 115.38 plus 2.6. So I am getting 117.98 ampere. So I got this current IA 117.98 ampere. We know the formula EA equal to what? EA equal to VT plus IA RA. IA is known, RA is known, VT is known. You can calculate EA. VT कितना है? 520. IA, what is the value of IA? 117.98. RA we have calculated in first part 0.1234. 0.1234. So if you use it, if you use the calculator, you will get the answer. Okay. So I am just using this into this, equal करने के बाद plus 520. I am getting 534.55 volt. 534.55 volt. That is the answer I am getting. Okay, so it is very simple problem. Just whenever we have given a problem, first draw the circuit diagram. Right? Circuit diagram means shunt है कि series है कि compound. Put the value there only. Write down. And as per without any knowledge, if you just a basic idea, if you know it, you will get the answer. Right? So you will get 534.55 volt. I am rubbing it. This is a question number 3, example number 3. I have given a short shunt compound generator, right? So first of all, I am going to draw the short shunt compound generator, right? This is the armature winding. This is the series field winding. Here you are going to connect the load. Okay, and short shunt. So this is the RSC, series field winding, and short shunt मतलब shunt field winding will be connected here. Number of turns are more here. That is the RSH. This voltage is VT. So यहाँ पर भी VT रहेगा, but this voltage is VA. क्लियर ना? यहाँ का वोल्टेज सपोज ग्राउंड है ये, तो ये ग्राउंड 0 वोल्टेज है. यहाँ का क्या होगा? लेट अस से VT, टर्मिनल वोल्टेज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ग्राउंड. तो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ग्राउंड यहाँ का वोल्टेज VT मान लो जो भी है, तो यहाँ का वोल्टेज भी VT होगा. बट दिस वोल्टेज विल बी लेस देन और मोर देन, इट इज मोर देन VT, so it is let us say VA. तो ये वोल्टेज क्या है? यहाँ पर VA है. Okay, anyway, short shunt compound generator has armature, shunt field and series field resistance of 0.8 ohm. Armature 0.8 ohm has armature. shunt field का resistance कितना है? 45 ohm. and series field resistance कितना है? 0.6 ohm. 0.6 ohm. Okay, respective, and supply a load of 5 kilowatt. This is 5000 watt. 5 kilowatt means 5000 watt at 250 volt. So you can calculate first IL. what is IL? IL equal to P upon VT, right? P कितना है 5000 upon VT कितना है 250. So 5000 upon 250 you will get 20 ampere, right? So you will get IL equal to 220. Now if you know this voltage, so this यहाँ पर ड्रॉप होगा तो you will calculate VA equal to क्या होगा VT IA IL RSC. यहाँ का करंट IL है ना, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक का IL RSC. ना ये प्लस होगा कि माइनस? इट इज प्लस बिकॉज ऑलवेज करंट ऐसा फ्लो हो रहा है, और ऑलवेज करंट फ्लोज फ्रॉम हायर टू लोअर. सो दिस इज हायर पोटेंशियल, दिस वन, एंड दिस इज द लोअर पोटेंशियल. सो VA इज हायर, सो VT प्लस दिस ड्रॉप. VT कितना है 250 प्लस IL इज व्हाट 20, RSC कितना है 0.6. So 20 into 0.6 12 plus this, so you will get 262 volt. You will get VA. Once you know VA, you will get ISH. What is the value of ISH? ISH equal to क्या होगा VA, that is कितना है 262 upon this 45 ohm, right? ISH equal to क्या voltage upon resistance. So 262 upon 45. So by using the calculator, you will get 262 upon 45, 5.82 ampere. Now you know this current IL here, from here to here, you know this current ISH, you will get IA, this IA. So what is the value of IA? You will get IA equal to IL plus ISH. IL कितना है 20 plus ISH 5.82 equal to 25.82 ampere. You will get IA. Clear? So now we have to calculate EA. EA equal to what? Calculate the generated EMF. EA equal to what? EA equal to, this voltage is VA plus this drop IARA. Okay, so VA कितना है? I got VA equal to 262 plus IA कितना है 25.82. This is 25.82 into RA कितना है 0.8. तो 262 plus 25.82 IARA, right? So 262 plus 25.82 into 0.8. If you use the calculator, you will get 282.65. That is the answer I am getting. That is the first part. If it is a short shunt compound generator, this is the voltage generated. Clear? Now, in case of long shunt compound generator, second part, if find EMF generated if it were a long shunt compound generator. I am not going to change the anything. Long shunt में generated voltage या terminal voltage will be more or less. Everything is same, right? So long shunt. This is part 1. Part 2 में क्या है? It is a long shunt. So long shunt क्या होगा? This is the series field winding. Clear? This is RA. कितना है RA? 0.8. Everything is there. This is EA. We have to calculate. This is RSC कितना है? 0.6. Here we are going to connect the load. Same load I am going to connect. Everything is same. कितना है? 5000 watt. VT कितना है? 250 volt. Same. Clear? This is the IL you will get, and long shunt में जो series shunt field winding will be connected here, right? This resistance is 45 ohm. Everything is same, only connection different हो गया. Okay, so you will get IL part 2. पार्ट 2, IL इक्वल टू सेम P अपॉन VT, P कितना है 5000 upon VT is 250 volt, you will get 20 ampere as it is. Clear? यहाँ पर वोल्टेज 250 है, तो व्हाट इज द वोल्टेज हियर? सपोज दिस इज कनेक्टेड टू ग्राउंड, यहाँ का वोल्टेज कितना होगा 250, तो व्हाट इज द वोल्टेज हियर 250. सो यू विल गेट ISH. ISH क्या होगा? ISH इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 250 V अपॉन R. V कितना है 250 अपॉन रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द फील्ड वाइंडिंग कितना है 45. So 250 upon 45, 5.55 ampere, right? Now IL is known, RSH is known, you will get IA. So what is the value of IA? IA equal to this sum of these two, 20 plus 5.55 equal to 25.55 ampere. I got it. Okay, now this voltage कितना है? VT कितना है 250 volt. So you have to calculate EA. What is the value of EA? EA equal to VT plus EA drop यहाँ का और यहाँ का, IA सेम फ्लो रहा, IA RA plus RSC. VT कितना है 250 plus IA equal to 25.55. RA plus RSC कितना है 0.6 plus 0.8. Okay, so you will get 4.6 plus 0.8, 1.4. Okay, so use the calculator. We will get 285.77 volt. Okay, so you will get 285.77 volt. So that is a generated voltage EA. So I had taken 3 numerical. Okay, now 3 more numerical I will discuss in part 2, right? So I am stopping here only. Just if your concept is clear, you can solve any problem related with the generator, right? Okay, so I am stopping here only. Okay, thank you very much for listening me carefully.